Hello students, in this video I am going to discuss differentiation of root x with respect to x and differentiation of mod x with respect to x. Both of the things are useful for the students of class 11 standard and 12 standard. So just let us check how we have to do. Actually both of the things are related. For that reason I have taken them together. So first all of you focus here in the left hand side, differentiation of root x with respect to x. Now before starting the differentiation you have to know root x means x to the power half. Root x means x to the power half. Similarly, cube root of x means x to the power 1 by 3. Nth root of x means x to the power 1 by n. So, root x means x to the power half. So, if I write y equal to root x, it means y equal to x to the power half. Now, I need to differentiate it with respect to x. So, using differentiation of x to the power n, that is nx n minus 1, here dy by dx is equal to half into x to the power half minus 1. Here n equal to half. I think you have understood. N equal to half. N minus 1 means half minus 1. So we are getting dy by dx, that is derivative of y with respect to x, equal to half into x to the power minus half. It can be written as half into 1 upon x to the power half. It can be written as half into 1 upon root x. Because x to the power half is root x, I have told you here when I have started the sum. X to the power root x equal to x to the power half. Root x equal to x to the power half. This was our prerequisite knowledge. So in the place of x to the power half I have written root x. So ultimately we are getting 1 upon 2 root x. It means what? Dy upon dx equal to 1 upon 2 root x. Okay. So wherever you are finding root x and you need to calculate derivative, directly you can write this, that 1 upon 2 root x. Okay. Similarly, if say you want to calculate derivative of root x square, so it will be 1 upon 2 root x square according to this formula into derivative of x square, that is 2x. 2 and 2 cancel, so we will get x upon root over x square. Again you can cancel it. Now this particular concept will be used here for calculating differentiation of mod x. All of you know root over x square equal to mod x. This is our prerequisite knowledge for understanding this differentiation. Root over x square equal to mod x. So I can write let y equal to mod x implies y equal to root over x square. then start derivative. dy upon dx equal to, you see the left side, when it was root x, then the answer is 1 upon 2 into root x. Now I have root x square, as I have done here at this side, then here the derivative will be 1 upon 2 into root over x square, as I have done here, into, using chain rule, for root I have calculated the derivative, that is 1 upon 2 into root over x square. Now I have to calculate derivative of x square, that is inside square root. Derivative of x square is 2x. Same thing as I have done here. So after calculating 2 and 2, you are getting x upon root x square. Okay, as I have got here. Now here I am calculating differentiation of mod x. So what you will write, you can write in the place of root over x square, you just write mod x. Okay, so the differentiation of mod x is x upon mod x. Conclusion is differentiation of mod x with respect to x is x upon mod x. So whenever you have to calculate mod x, it will be x upon mod x. Thank you.